Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the day of resurrection, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, O Adam, he will reply, I am present and ready to obey your command as all the good is in your possession. It will be ordained, separate the doomed to fire from the others. He will submit, how many doomed to fire should I bring out? It will be commanded, 999 out of each 1,000. Hearing it, even the children will grow old and the pregnant will undergo miscarriage. People will look as if they were intoxicated, though they will not be drunken. But the chastisement of Allah will be extremely severe. The people submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who will be that one? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, convey the glad tidings that one person will be from you, whereas 1,000 out of Gog Magog. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam further said, by him in whose possession my soul is, I anticipate that you will make the 1/4 of the inhabitants of paradise. So we shouted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, I hope you will make 1/3 of the inhabitants of paradise. So we again shouted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, I hope you will make half of the inhabitants of paradise. So we again shouted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, you are among the people as a black hair on the skin of a white ox or a white hair on the skin of black ox. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3348.